Are you dreaming of working on a cruise ship, seeing the world, and getting paid for it? Well, before you start packing your bags and practicing your best welcome aboard, smile. You'll need a very special pass, the C1/D visa. Without it, you're not getting on that ship, matey. But don't worry, I'll walk you through every step of the process in a way that won't make you want to jump overboard. Let's set sail on this adventure. All right, let's break it down. A C1/D visa is a transit and crew visa issued by the US government for people working on international vessels like cruise ships. Translation? It's your golden ticket to working legally while cruising the high seas. The C1's part lets you transit through the US while on your way to your ship. The D part is for crew members who actually work on board. If your ship makes stops at US ports, you absolutely need this visa, unless you plan on hiding in a lifeboat, which we definitely do not recommend. You'll need a C1/D visa if you are officially employed by a cruise line or shipping company. Your ship docks in the US at any point. You are not a citizen of a country that qualifies for the Visa Waiver Program. If you're unsure, check the US Department of State's website before you panic. If you're still wondering, do I really need this visa? Trust me, if your employer says yes, don't question it, just apply. Before anything else, you need a job offer from a cruise line. You can't just show up at the embassy and say, "Hey, I'd like to work on a ship, can I have a visa?" Nope. You need an official employment contract or letter of employment from your cruise line. Get that first. Now for the paperwork. Yay! Head over to the Consular Electronic Application Center website and fill out the DS-160 non-immigrant visa application form. Be 100% honest with your answers. Seriously, they check everything. Upload a passport-style photo that meets US visa requirements. No filters, no sunglasses, and definitely no goofy faces. Once done, print out the confirmation page. This is your ticket to the next step. Nothing in life is free, and that includes your C1/D visa. The fee is $185 as of 2024. You can pay online or at a designated bank, depending on your country. Keep that receipt safe. Losing it is like throwing money overboard. Now book your appointment at the nearest US embassy or consulate. Slots can fill up fast, so don't wait until the last minute. Also, prepare to be patient. The waiting time can be, well, long. Maybe learn some ship terminology while you wait? The big day. Here's what to bring. Valid passport, at least 6 months of validity beyond your travel date. No expired passports, please. DS-160 confirmation page visa fee. Payment receipt, employment contract or letter from your cruise line. Any previous US visas, if applicable. Proof of strong ties to your home country, like a bank statement, lease, or a note from your mom saying she'll miss you. At the interview, dress nicely. This isn't a beach day. Be confident and answer questions clearly. If the interviewer asks if you plan to return home after your contract, the answer is yes. They want to make sure you're not trying to permanently move to the US. If all goes well, your passport with your shiny new visa will be returned within a few days. Congratulations, sailor! You've got your C1/D visa and your cruise ship dreams are now within reach. A few final reminders. Double-check the expiration date and entry conditions on your visa. Follow your cruise line's onboarding instructions carefully. Keep all your visa-related documents super safe. Losing them is a Titanic-level disaster. Now go pack your bags, practice your best. Welcome aboard, greeting, and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. Even with the best intentions, mistakes can happen. Here are some common pitfalls to avoid when applying for your C1/D visa. 1. Incomplete or incorrect DS-160 form. Double-check all your information before submitting. 2. Missing documents. Make sure you have everything on the checklist. 3. Not preparing for the interview. Practice common questions and answers. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll be smooth sailing. Tips for a successful interview. To ace your visa interview, follow these tips. Dress professionally. First impressions matter. Be honest and concise with your answers. Show confidence but remain polite. Bring all required documents neatly organized. Arrive early to avoid any last-minute stress. With these tips, you'll be well prepared for your interview. And that's it! You're officially ready to work on a cruise ship. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Safe travels, and see you on the high seas.